Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your data on ClickBank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your data on ClickBank, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section from the dashboard. Scroll down and look for the Report a Problem option. Click on this option to open a new window. Choose the relevant issue type from the drop-down menu. In this case, select Data Recovery. In the provided text box, detail your request for data recovery clearly. Include specific information about the data you need restored, such as past transactions or account activity. Make sure to include your ClickBank affiliate ID for verification purposes. After filling out the form, double-check for any errors or missing information. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Next, keep an eye on your email for a response from the ClickBank support team. They may request additional information to process your recovery request. Be ready to reply promptly to any inquiries to expedite the process. After you've provided all necessary information, wait for ClickBank to assist you further. This process may take some time, so be patient while they investigate your request. Once your data has been recovered, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to access it. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure that you can retrieve your data successfully. If you do not receive a response within a few days, consider reaching out again for updates. Stay proactive to ensure your data recovery request is handled swiftly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.